No, you're not in there no more. Go back.
I can't turn Raul's thighs.
Come on, my thunder thighs.
Your bunder buys.
Make sure to subscribe.
Hello.
Hey, what's up? We're like, are you done?
To the Reddit 50/50 show. It's not a show,
What?
but there's another episode after the first one comes out.
This is
Who
episode
knows?
2.
It might be. Oh, but yeah, Reddit 50/50.
Oh yeah, big names and shit.
What?
I thought of a car. I thought of a car.
Dude, see?
I forgot all about the animal. I'm sorry. Get your big ass over here. You don't get your nape on this video.
Cringy diss track. Or Wild Dogs Eat Pregnant Impala.
It's the Impala. It's not gonna get real until like halfway.
Get the fuck out of here.
Why you
Fucking headbutted it, B. He's giving it kisses, B.
I'm gonna eat you later.
He's fucking pulling that bitch out.
Why isn't he running?
Yeah.
Probably stuck or injured.
That looks rude.
The young man was just drinking water and shit. Oh, now he wants to fight back?
I said no.
Oh, yeah, my bad.
It's a weird dog.
That's what dogs look like, dude.
Man, it's crazy, B. You think Mochi was like, dang that? I wish it was the good
I'm
old
so
days.
scared, dude.
Yeah. Me? Man.
Fucking gator comes up.
Oh no.
He got its boys.
I'll be a gator. Why'd you stay? Why you came back?
Not vaping on the video.
Sorry.
We don't allow the gay shit.
I'm trying to keep it to a minimum.
Miss people with that gay shit.
I feel so bad for this fucking gazelle. I mean, Impala.
That bitch just needs to floor it.
But is it a tame one?
Oh, shit!
Man.
Oh, it's so fucking rude.
I mean, just take my leg. Let me have the other three.
Dude, fuck.
Here's the real thing. Why'd you go back?
Now it's trying to get away?
It's like, hold on, they trying to eat me?
Wait, don't they make sounds?
Stop taking pictures.
Why are they dragging him? Why don't they just fucking go for the neck?
Because he's trying to go back to the water. They can't swim.
Go for the nape, my dude. Look at this little fluffy ass, gay ass tail. I can't say that.
Oh, they're eating.
Still taking his ass. This is shut up commentary. They're taking his ass.
Hell. That was nice.
Adorable puppy going to college or eye movement after decapitation?
Okay.
Not safe for work or life.
Aww.
I was kind of looking. I wanted to see the eye.
Dude, low key saying,
That's cute.
fuck that ugly ass. More me, wanna be ass.
More me and me.
More me. Hawaii breeds covered in lava or a lady missing half her face?
Oh, I think it's
I
gonna
get
be the face.
feeling it might be a face.
Yeah.
Ooh, let's get out of there.
Volcano launch. You do one, Jason.
Volcano launch a building light rocket. SFW. Failed jump with injured leg. NSFW.
It's a jump.
It's fatal.
My
Failed.
failed jump.
Oh wait, let's.
Me when I watch parkour videos. Oh baby, no!
I want to get away. And you probably hurts.
Why did he land so fucking stupidly?
Mm-hmm.
Probably slipped.
There we go.
He got stitched and shit. Football catch or ball of foot cut open? Ball of foot? You mean the heel?
Let me see.
I hope it's the foot.
Oh.
Is the running back. Play action.
Oh, look at her.
Manning.
Crocker.
One is.
Hey.
Oh, there's a flag.
Oh.
They can one-handed catch. How in the world? Oh my.
Damn, B.
An average Eiffel 65 gift? Me music video with
Oh.
whatever.
Okay.
I don't know what any of that is.
Me neither.
Okay, thank God. The other one was gonna be S.
Kind of cute rabbit playing with a basket. Decomposing tsunami victim?
Let's get outta here.
Jesus. Cover of Pour Some Sugar on Me. How to express your dog. Oh, wait, what? How to express your dog's anal glands?
Okay.
Open the
I'm scared.
Oh, by them?
Oh, it's.
I was waiting for the original one. Some sugar on me in the name of love.
Birds dancing to La Bamba or Roadkill? That Bamba! Oh, okay.
Birds are freaking cool. They don't look like La Bamba.
Man tries to take a selfie, be given an over.
Wait, where is
Or some kitty 0706 reference. You're not
The fuck are
clicking
you?
The one that I said.
it? Where is it?
You're just getting
Oh my
further
God.
away from
Oh,
it.
This one?
Move, no,
This
get
one?
off, get off the mouse.
This one?
Get off the, no, go up.
That one?
Up,
A little bit.
there, up.
Just
There
a
you
little
go.
bit more?
There you go, right there. What, is this the one?
Is this a suicide video?
Oh my god.
I'm thinking accidental suicide.
I've never seen that before.
we can't show this.
I thought it was the one where like the kid slaps the shit out of the dude.
Damn.
Wait, is this the same dude?
I think this dude just died.
That's crazy.
I feel bad laughing, dude. I wasn't. I legit thought it was the one where like a train full of kids and then like he slaps the shit out of them.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more.
He's just dead.
I want to see this phone get picked up and he's like, alright, I'm okay.
Dancing on Gangnam Style. Or Deborah getting stabbed. Oh shit.
And beheaded at the same time.
Who's Deborah?
Let's find out.
Part two.
Oh my god.
That shit, y'all never did that shit?
No.
Oh, maybe I was just. Maybe I
Teach me how to do it.
I don't know how to do it. I did him all like a little butchered way.
Teach me how to doggy.
Your
Pick
phone?
up your phone.
Pick up your fucking. That's your fucking mom calling, bro. Alright, service.
Sexy curvy girl with beautiful lips makes a kissy face. Girl throwing her burgers in her boyfriend's face.
Buggers?
Buggers or
Is
buggers?
it like booger or is bugger
Let's
like?
see.
Oh no! Ah!
Is it over? Is it over?
Yep.
Blah blah blah. Paint drying on a wall. Some nice ass paint.
My god.
Does it ever get dry?
I like how it says 10 minutes of your life, but we just did like 15 seconds. Fucking got you.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. A real gangster ass nigga plays his card.
Oh, puppy taking a nap with his friend or a person slicing open his arm?
Oh, do it.
His arm.
Oh no.
Is he going down?
Oh no, he's doing it.
Oh, he didn't look like he wanted to do that.
Is there audio?
I like how he's like. I didn't think he meant to go that deep.
That made me sick. Someone's recording this. What?
There's multiple people there because
Yeah.
that's someone else's arm.
Why'd they do that?
Bro. We're doing for the vine.
Look
Get
how,
out of here.
wait, no, hang on.
I don't like how it looks.
I do.
Look how pink it looks. Like you'd expect blood like gushing, but it's just like just a little pink for a second.
Dude, he cut to the muscle.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh, dude, you're right. That's a little like
Yeah.
thin layer, like that little
Yeah.
like, sheet of fat.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's why we close that.
It's on GIFCat.
Oh, and that is gonna be it.
Make sure to subscribe.